Hi all of you. This is the second introduction part of lines and angles. Here I will discuss the transversals, parallel lines and some angles which are formed by transversal and the parallel lines. So let's discuss first transversal. What is transversal? When one line is intersect these two lines, that means two lines means L and M, intersects in the 2 points, by 2 points. This line, that means P line, is called transversal of the lines L and M. So, P line which intersects L and M lines at the two different points is called transversal. So here P is called transversal of L and M. This P line intersects L and M at these 2 points. Let's discuss about the angles which are formed by the transversal. These all are interior angles. These and these interior angles, because these angles are formed inside these two lines. Here this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7 and this one is 8. So interior angle. Which are interior angles? Here 3, angle 4, angle 6 and angle 5. So angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior angles. Why? Because these angles are formed inside these two lines. This angle is formed inside the line. That means this one is the line and this one is the line L. This is L, this is M and this is P. So 3, 4, 5 and 6, these are formed inside these two lines. So these are interior angles. Now exterior angles. Exterior angle, that means if this one 3 is interior angle, then 2 is outside of the this line L, outside of this L line. So 2 is called exterior angle, 1 is called exterior angle, this 7 is called exterior angle and this 8 is called exterior angle. So 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are called exterior angles. Let's talk about parallel lines. Parallel line means two lines, this is L, this is M, two lines are called parallel lines if the distance between these two lines, that means this distance will be same. Distance between these two parallel lines is same. And one more point is there, when these two lines will be extended, then they will not meet at a point. They never meet at a point. So, number 1, the distance between two lines is same and number 2, they never meet to each other when extended. The distance between two lines is same, they never meet to each other when extended. They never intersect. So these two parallel lines are called here L parallel M. This is the sign of parallel lines. Next, coming to this topic, angles formed by a transversal and parallel lines. Some angles are formed when these two parallel lines, that means L and M, are intersected by the transversal P. That means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. These are the all angles. Here transversal is P and the parallel lines are L and M, that means L parallel M. Then only these angles are formed. Here first one is corresponding angles. Corresponding angle, that means which angles are formed in the same side of the transversal. That means here 1 and 5. 1 and 5, angle 1 and angle 5. We can say that these two angles are corresponding angles because these two angles are formed in the same side of the transversal and this also lies on the same side of the parallel lines. That means here 1 is lying on the parallel line L. That means here in this side. Here also 5 is lying on the parallel line M. That means these two angles are lying on the same sides of the parallel lines and the transversal. That's why this is corresponding angles. Another corresponding angles are 4 and 8. 4 is lying in the down of this L line and 8 is lying in the down of the M line, and these both angles are lying on the same side of the parallel and transversal P. That means 4 and angle 8 also corresponding angles. Here angle 2 and angle 6, angle 2 and angle 6, and angle 3 and angle 7. These all are corresponding angles. Let's talk about alternative angles. Alternative interior angles. Interior angles, I told that angle 4, angle 3, angle 5, angle 6, these all are interior angles. So, alternative interior angle means when the angles are formed by this form, that means Z form. This is parallel lines, and this is transversal. Here, see, This is formed like Z. Then we can say that angle 3 and angle 5 are alternative interior angle. Angle 3 and angle 5. This is called alternative interior angle. That means both the angles will be equal. Here also corresponding angles, angle 1 equal to angle 5, angle 4 equal to angle 8. These all angles are equal. Next alternative interior angle will be this angle 4 and angle 6. Here also this reverse Z is formed. That means this type of. So this angle and this angle, this is 4 and this is 6. So we can say that 4 and 6 are alternative interior angles. So I have discussed that these alternative interior angles and corresponding angles, these both angles will be equal. That means if angle 4, the angle 4 will be 30 degree, then angle 6 will be also 30 degree. Suppose if angle 1 is 60 degree, then angle 5 is also 60 degree, because angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. So 1 and 5, 4 and 8, these all are equal. To angle 2 and angle 6, these all are equal. Here alternative interior angle 3 and angle 5. If angle 3 is 70 degree and angle 5 will be also 70 degree, because this is alternative interior angle. Now let's talk about alternative exterior angle. Exterior angle means here angle 2 and angle 8 will be alternative exterior angle, because these both angles are exterior angle. Angle 2 is exterior, here angle 1 is exterior, here angle 8 is exterior, angle 7 is exterior, and these both the angles are formed the opposite side of the transversal P. That means in this side 2 is formed, in this side 8 is formed. So angle 2 and angle 8 are alternative exterior angle. These both the angles will be equal. Next one, alternative exterior angle is angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 1 and angle 7. These angles will be equal. Let's talk about consecutive interior angles. Consecutive means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are consecutive numbers. That means here consecutive means 4 and 5. These are consecutive angles, 4 and 5. Here consecutive interior angles, and interior means 3, 4, 5, 6. These are interior angles. So consecutive interior angle, that means 4 and 5, the sum of these both the angles will be 180 degree. That means angle 4 plus angle 5 will be 180 degree. So here angle 4 and angle 5 is consecutive interior angles. Another one, angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 6 are also consecutive interior angles. This consecutive interior angles, another name is co-interior angle. We can say that co-interior angles. So angle 4 and angle 5 co-interior angles, angle 3 and angle 6 also co-interior angles. So here also angle 3 plus angle 6 will be 180 degree. That means the sum of two consecutive interior angles is 180 degree. That is the property of consecutive interior angle.